G'day Sawdust Makers. It's February 2021. Victoria, Melbourne, where I live, is in another coronavirus lockdown. Hopefully for only 5 days. Today's day 3 of that. However, I thought I might as well dig something up from the archives and share with you here. If you've been following my videos for a little while, you know that I just like to have a bit of fun and I'll muck around a fair bit, so don't take this thing too seriously. In April 2020, I made a fun little project for around the house, and I put together a fun little video which I shared on my Facebook page. Of course, that was before Victoria entered 112 days of lockdown, which was huge. Not to, of course, not to forget everything else in the entire world that happened with coronavirus after April last year. Anyway, it's lockdown. It's a fun project. It's not a how-to video, but I thought I'd share it with you on YouTube, and I hope you enjoy it. So here you go. I hope you enjoyed that. Those numbers at the start, of course, were quite interesting for, back in April, because they're much different right now. But I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed it and you want to see more content like that. But also, this is a good reason to follow me on Facebook and Instagram if you're on those channels, because I often share other things on those channels that don't make it to YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully soon enough, globally, this pandemic will be behind us. Thanks for watching. See you next time.